Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the wall precisely, record height and width, then add 10% for pattern match and mistakes. Choose the paper type, vinyl for durability, grass cloth for texture, because fiber content affects paste and drying time. Cut test strips from a 12 sample to confirm pattern repeat and color in room light. Mix paste to manufacture strength, thicker by small increments if heavy paper. Place tools nearby so you can work continuously. This prevents seams from drying unevenly as you hang the first drops. You draw a plumb line to ensure the first strip is perfectly vertical. Alignment matters since every subsequent sheet depends on it. Decide paste back versus wall application based on paper weight. Paste back reduces bubbles for heavy stock. Apply paste evenly, fold each end 1/2 toward center, and rest for 5–10 minutes to activate paste. Lift and position the top, then smooth down from center to edges to force out air. Trim excess with a sharp knife, and match pattern at seams as you go. You finish by trimming the top and bottom with a straight edge and sharp blade. This creates tidy edges that meet trim and baseboards. Use a seam roller gently on joins to seat edges without crushing texture. Wipe excess paste immediately with a damp sponge so it won't stain. Then let the paper cure for 24–48 hours before rehanging fixtures. If bubbles or lifting occur, lift the seams slightly to reapply paste, or prick tiny bubbles with a needle and smooth them out. This preserves adhesion and appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.